Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today is your birthday. And actually, should I say happy birthday to me? Because this is my birthday vlog. Even though tomorrow's technically my birthday, but I am turning 30 years old tomorrow and I can hardly believe it. But birthday celebrations begin today. It's actually Friday, but I took the day off from work, which feels so good. And Tara's in town, so we of course have a fun day planned. It's also my friend Ashley's birthday tonight, so we have plans for that. It's gonna be a time. Probably won't vlog much tonight, but it's going to be a very fun vlog because I have very fun birthday plans. I might as well just tell you now. I arranged hiring a private chef to cook a group of us dinner. I came up with this idea probably 6 months ago and just thought it was such a fun 30th birthday idea. You find something which is like really nice and like fancy and feels really good for a big birthday like 30 with one of my favorite things, food. So I'm just so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. But I ordered a couple of things that have arrived. I actually literally don't even remember what I ordered, so we're just gonna have to open them up. Oh, this is really not what I thought it was. We're doing oysters and I ordered this tray to serve the oysters on, but like, look at how thin this is. No ice can fit in here. I don't know, we're gonna have to see if this will still work, but oyster tray. This is probably, I have like an idea for a tablescape based on something that I saw on Pinterest. So yeah, I got these tiny little candlestick holders, so cute, and there's, let's see, 3 times 4, 12 of them, and I'm pretty sure that I already have candlesticks in here. Yes, I do. So boop, they're a little wobbly. It'll get the job done, I think. And then we're gonna do just some cute little mini flowers around. Glad that those arrived and are looking really cute. And now let's see what's in this last box here. I'm hoping that I ordered something that I thought I ordered, but now I'm questioning it. Oh yeah, I think I see it. Pretty sure these, yeah, are 30th birthday candles. Because I need the candles that said 30. As scary as that is. There you go. 3-0. 3-0. I don't know which way it's gonna be right for you guys, but you get the drift. So we're gonna have a ton of errands to run tomorrow to kind of get some stuff ready. I'm gonna have to go print out the menus, and then also need to go to Trader Joe's to pick up flowers. And I'm also just getting, listen, we're having a pretty big meal, and so originally I was gonna get like a big cake for my birthday, but then I was like, do I really need that? Like, I'm gonna end up paying like $300 for a cake and no one's gonna eat it. Literally like the least expensive cake that I could find that I thought was still like cute and kind of like worth it was like $200. And I was like everyone's gonna be so full that it's not really worth it, I don't think. So I'm just gonna buy one of those mini sheet cakes from Trader Joe's. They're like this big. I can still put candles in it, blow out the candles. Everyone can have a tiny piece of cake if they want to. It's gonna cost me $10, so it's not a big deal if no one ends up eating it because we're all really full after dinner. And next up on my to-do today, I need to actually make the menu for tomorrow. So that's what I'm gonna work on right now. Having a little bit of a chill morning here. I'm gonna put on some Love is Blind, of course. I'm really mad at myself for not opening this earlier because come on, look at this. I ordered this like tray for our oysters and look at how like big the walls are. Like they're so short.
Yeah, what the hell?
Do you think that this will still work?
Yeah, the issue is it's not tall enough, eh?
Exactly. I was like, what the hell?
Like, we're gonna put ice down.
Exactly.
I wish it was bigger in general.
I know.
Like, it's a little small, but
that's okay.
No, I think we'll be fine.
We have to do that today and go get the oysters. By we, I mean.
Yeah.
We should not forget to do that.
Of course, birthday girl.
Thank you. Just kind of wrapping up, getting ready right now. Sorry for the background noise. I was spraying some like texture spray in my hair. That's aerosol, and immediately our air purifier was like, air quality terrible, turn on high. So that's not great, but it's you know, whipping it all up right now, hopefully. I also couldn't find the lip liner that I wanted. It's definitely in one of my bags and I just don't know where it is. That's okay, we're gonna work with what we got here. This little broken one is fine. It's just like a little darker than I was thinking. But you know what, whatever. And I was thinking we could use this new Kosas lip gloss. I hauled this in my last video. I just put like a couple tiny little waves in my hair, just nothing crazy. And have I even told you the plan for today? Tara and I are going to brunch and then going shopping. The brunch is a surprise though. I have no idea where we're going. Tara booked it and will not tell me, so we're gonna see where we end up. It's gonna be somewhere in Beverly Hills because that's where we're going shopping afterwards. But that is all the information that I have. I'm also being an outfit repeater. I've worn this outfit quite a few times. Not that that's problematic at all, but I love this outfit and I've never taken a photo in it, and I feel like potential to take photos today. So it seems like a good time. I was just kind of struggling with like what to put on top of this. I tried on a bunch of different jackets. Ultimately, I think I'm just gonna throw a sweater over my shoulders and that'll be fine. I'm gonna wear my brown Nikes, and yeah, that's kind of the plan. Please ignore like the little mess behind me, but outfit, here's what we're wearing. As I mentioned, totally outfit repeating, but who cares? I have on my brown sneakers, so I'm going to bring a brown bag with me, and we're heading out. I am excited for this. Reunited. Here we are. Ooh, so cute. Sure.
These are puppy's mash, if you want it. Vermont butter in the shape of Gucci bee and beef on it.
Oh, love it. Thank you. In the shape of a Gucci bee. I'm so dead. It's giving Magnolia Parks and I'm here for it. Yeah. Our first dish arrived, and this is the grilled artichoke. Yeah. This is the grilled artichoke, and look at all of that shaved truffle on top. Like, are you kidding me? Everything has been so good so far. All the truffle on those artichokes were insane. The artichokes were so sweet and delicious. Ugh, I love it. And our next course just arrived. This is apparently the best pasta in the world. This is what people say. So I'm intrigued. It's tortellini in a cheese sauce, and I mean, so saucy, and the smell is so good. Like, it just smells so cheesy. I'm so excited. I know, seriously, better live up to it at this point. The last little things that we've ordered. This is a risotto camouflage as a pizza, which I think you can kind of see the vibe. There is risotto under there, but it's supposed to look like a pizza, and it does. It does. It's kind of crazy. And then we got these fries. Look at how bougie and gorgeous and cool that is.
It had to happen.
Are you kidding?
They look amazing.
They look so good. They said it has like the texture of mashed potatoes on the inside. It's so good.
The dip, olive oil,
Yeah.
mayo, wait, what did you say?
Aioli.
Oh.
So good. Last little bites, we have these chocolate truffles, which look so good. And then these, I think he said, were like peach jellies or something, which apparently are the perfect last bite
Of the afternoon.
So I'm very excited. Cheers. Cheers.
Oh my god.
Oh,
That might be my last.
That is so good.
Actually, I'm just gonna bite it. I think I'm gonna go for it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Too drippy. The caramel.
That's amazing. Lunch was so amazing.
So good.
It was so
Flavor
good.
explosions.
Yeah, seriously. Every single dish was amazing. That pasta was so good. I don't think I reported back on that, but so cheesy, so amazing.
Oh.
And now we're doing a little shopping around Rodeo Drive because, yeah, we should definitely go in here because I'm kind of looking for a little 30th birthday present for myself. We'll see if I find anything that I love, but if I do, we'll go for it.
I love it.
Good morning, you guys. It is the next day and it is officially my 30th birthday. That feels so crazy to say. Oh my God. What a crazy number. It's always so crazy when you enter a new decade. And I feel like every time I like think forward and back, like I remember turning 20 and thinking like, I can't believe the last time I turned a decade I was 10, and the next time I'll be 30, and now here I am at 30. It's pretty unbelievable. Also, my second decade that I've entered while living here in California. Also very weird to think about. I have been here a long time. But it's been a really nice chill day so far. Last night was so much fun. Oh my gosh, we had such a good night. But we got back kind of late, so we slept in a little today. We woke up like a little before 10, which was still only like 6-ish hours of sleep, so I'm pretty tired. No, that's an exaggeration. It was like 7 hours, but still. So we have just vegged a little bit today. We got some lunch, watched Harry Potter, which, what a lovely way to turn 30. And now we just finished kind of like a clean of our place, just in case people end up coming back here tonight. I'm not sure exactly what the plan will be, but we wanted to be ready just in case. High likelihood that I force everyone to come back for a game night because they can't say no on my birthday. And Con and I are just getting ready now to go run the last couple errands that I needed to run before the birthday dinner. So we're gonna go take care of that, and then by the time we get back, it should be like pretty close to time to start getting ready. Today's going too fast already. I'm kind of tired. I wish it was like 2 hours earlier than it is right now. Like I wish I'd woken up a little earlier. That way I could fit a nap in. Oh, that reminds me, I'm gonna pour myself a small cup of coffee here. We made a little bit of extra coffee because we are both a little tired. Thank you.
It's back to being beautiful.
Errand number 1 complete. We went to FedEx and printed out the menus. They look so cute. I'll show you a little closer up when we're back. And now errand number 2 is popping into Trader Joe's. We just need to grab a couple little things and then we're done. Definitely more than enough.
Good.
We got the goods.
The goods.
All right, let's get out of here. Alrighty, you guys, I put the flowers that I got just in some water so that they stay nice, and then kind of packed up everything else. We're all gonna be so full, like getting a big cake just didn't make sense. So just got this little thing, though I have something to blow out candles on. And then we have like wine and some of the stuff that I showed you yesterday in here, some like floral scissors to make cutting the flowers nice and easy. And it's 4:15 now, so we're gonna be leaving in about an hour, so I'm gonna hop in the shower, start to get ready. I'm so excited. Post shower, we're gonna get the makeup started here. And I thought it might kind of be a good time to talk a little bit about turning 30. It feels like such a big number. Like, how could I be in my 30s? I'm surely not dull enough for that. It feels very, very strange. As it does, you know, every time you kind of hit a big age milestone, I think. But I'm pretty excited too. I think it's gonna be a really fun and amazing decade. It's so weird to say that. Decade. I also feel kind of weird about 30 in a way where like Connor is already 30 and I feel the same age as him, so honestly I've kind of felt 30 for a while already, weirdly. Like I feel like I was like ready to tell people that I was 30 years old for a while now. So I'm kind of excited that it's here now. Most of all, I'm just like really excited for this time in my life. I feel like I'm entering 30 in a really good place, which feels really just like very satisfying. I feel like mentally, emotionally, physically, I'm feeling just like really good, which honestly 2 years ago, I probably could not say. So it's nice to feel like not that I'm really starting a new phase, but in some ways it does kind of feel that way. And from such like a good, happy place. I anticipated 30 to be much scarier than it's feeling is basically what I'm saying. I mean, like, I just feel like so many exciting life moments are gonna come in this decade. There will of course be highs and lows, but I feel like so many fun things are happening. Like I'll get married, who knows, maybe I'll start a family. Who knows where I'll be living, where my career will take me. I mean, 10 years from now, when I'm turning 40, what will life look like? Probably completely different. It definitely looks way different now than it did at 20. But I'm excited. I am feeling like ready for this, you know, like it's so good. And I just love this idea for my birthday too. So I feel like it's the perfect way to ring in my 30s. And now I'm going to focus on finishing getting ready instead of blabbing away because I am quickly running out of time here. This day really got away from me. I can't believe how late it is already. Alrighty, here is the 30th birthday look. I am wearing this dress, which is from Reformation. Saw it and it just felt right. I just like knew this was definitely the one. And I feel like I can get more wear out of this too. So it's so cute. I love it. And then I'm gonna have my Pradas on. So Just haven't put on shoes yet. Wearing the little Tarte lippy that I hauled in my last video. Maracuja Juicy Lip in Berry Shimmer Glass, which I feel like works really well with this dress. That really worked out for me. And now Tara's on her way over, and I think we are going to be heading out in like 20-ish minutes to go and get everything set up and let the party begin. I'm so excited. Couple days later, the girls are back and we are just wrapping up this vlog. Thank you for watching. It was such a special birthday, one of my favorite birthdays ever. The food that the chef that I hired made was out of this world, like so good. And I just felt so special and taken care of, from like the Gucci lunch, which was so bouge and so amazing. By the way, I didn't end up buying anything. I realized that I didn't really resolve that. Just didn't find anything that I loved. I'm still on the hunt. 30th birthday, you deserve a nice present to yourself. Anyway, and then just had like such a lovely birthday surrounded by so many of my favorite people. So it was so special. Hope you guys enjoyed this video though. Unsure when my next video will be, not currently planned, but I'll see you guys soon.